Hola, señors. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, it did.
Senor and senoritas?
Yes. Look at our, we're dog sitting today.
Dog sitting!
Lucy has a new best friend.
This is Lucy and Crystal's dog, the fluffy one. And this is Blanca. Ah, she's so cute. Mwah.
And they love each other. Look at them, they're already best friends. Oh, jeez.
Blanca.
Blanca likes to dominate.
Yep, she does. Oh, God.
Oh, look. Lucy kisses her.
Oh, my God. It's just Blanca trying... They're girls. They're trying... That was really funny.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
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 Oh,
Sorry.
jeez.
Had to. It's just my nature. Right?
Yes.
Anyways, this is what we're doing this weekend. Nothing too
Oh,
exciting.
the cutest doggies ever.
Yeah, let's be in love. Ta-ta for now.
TTFN.